Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can customize your Chrome homepage and theme in 2025. If you're tired of that boring Chrome homepage like this, let's give it a total glow up. So here's how you can customize your Chrome theme and homepage in 2025. It's easier than ever. So first you can change the Chrome homepage by going to the customizations options. In here you can go to settings and find the on startup option, this one, and here you can choose to open a specific page or set of page like this. For example, in here you can click on add a new page and enter your favorite site, maybe Google, Pinterest, or even your Notion board. So in here you can just add, let's say I want to add Canva. So you can just add the link in here or copy it or paste it if you want to and click on add. And so whenever you open your Chrome, it will open automatically. Next one, customize the new tab page. So let's tweak the new tab look. You can open a new tab in here and then click on customize Chrome button at the bottom right. Here you can set a background image. So pick a background. You can choose from Chrome's image collections or upload your own, a favorite pic, a static wallpaper, or your pet. So in here I'm going to change it, let's say using one from Google Gallery. Let's go with, I'm going to just go with geometric shapes. I'm going to go with this one. So now the background will be changed like this. And you can also apply a new theme. So for a full vibe change, you can head to the Chrome web stores and then you can just find themes, you can install it and watch Chrome transforms. So now your Chrome is totally you. Drop a comment with your custom setup, hit like and subscribe for more Chrome tips. Bye!